let me show you how you can change orientation of just one page in your Word document on your Mac. So here I am in my document. If I simply select Layout Orientation and change to Landscape, this will affect the whole document, all of the pages. So that's not the way. Let's undo. And before we can change the orientation of just one page, we need to create a new section for that page. So what you need to do, you need to end the previous page with the end of the section. So head to Layout Breaks, not the page break, but the section break. Select Next Page. All right. And then at the end of this page, I'm going to do also the section break. So it's kind of a brand new section in the middle of the document. So here it is. Next page. All right, now let's try to select something in this document, in this page number 2. Just click in the middle of it and then head to your layout and orientation. Change to landscape. All right, as you can see, the first page is still in portrait, and then the second page, and unfortunately the next one as well, change to landscape. It can happen as when you change to landscape, maybe your text here now it's too long, right? So if the text is shorter, it will be just one page. So you got section break before and you got section break after. This way you kind of creating a brand new section in the middle of a document, and this section we can set up orientation separately. So the whole document is still in portrait, and just this one single page, this one section is in landscape. That's how you do it. If it's not working, if the whole document is changing, double check that you got your section breaks. If you want to see them like I do, you must also turn on the visibility of special invisible characters. So when you are in Home tab, here's the icon. Show Hide. By default, it's hidden like that. If you click on, you will exactly see where is the section break. And here. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.